Think you need to quit your job to start an online business? Think again. With just 2 focused hours a day, you can launch a successful online business from home while keeping your 9 to 5. And it's a lot easier than you've been led to believe. Let me take you behind the scenes as I show you how I increase the scale of my online business while decreasing the hours of my 9 to 5 with the ultimate goal of working from home. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to start a simple online business while keeping your job, and I'll show you how this model allows you to create an income without risking your financial security and how you can do it in easy to follow steps. Okay, and also stick around because I'm gonna reveal the secret sauce that makes an online business truly successful. And here's a hint, it's the one thing that lets you earn more while working less. So you're not gonna wanna miss that. I've helped moms just like you transition from a demanding 9 to 5 to running a successful online business from their home in just a few hours a day. I know this can feel intimidating, and trust me, I've been there. But you don't have to do this alone. I am here to help you. If this sounds like the solution you've been searching for, comment next steps down below, and I will send you a free guide with some more information with how to get started. All right, first of all, you don't need to quit your day job. Many moms are hesitant to launch into the digital and online space because they feel like they have to take a full leap of faith and jump fully into this new project. But really, you just need 2 focused hours a day on income earning activities to launch a successful online business. You can start your business part-time, which allows you to keep the security of your current 9 to 5. And while you're scaling your online business, you can be starting to pull back on your 9 to 5 hours if that's your goal. Just start by dedicating just 2 hours a day on income earning activities, and these 2 hours can be completely around your schedule. So you can do it before everybody wakes up in the morning, or once everybody's asleep at night, or even during your lunch break if that works for you. I know that fear of losing money and failure can prevent people from starting an online business, but it doesn't have to be as risky as you think it is. Online businesses can be far less risky than traditional businesses if you find one with low startup costs and proven systems. And also, they don't take a lot of overhead. Building a business in the digital space will also help with logistics because there's no shipping and there's no storing and there's really no overhead costs involved. Okay, so we're using the word digital now, but this does not mean you have to be a tech expert. You just need to find a system that has simple step-by-step instructions with how to set up your online business. For example, my program provides beginner-friendly tools and step-by-step guidance so that you can launch a successful business without being tech savvy. You will have access to copy and paste links to help get your website set up, as well as pre-made marketing templates to help simplify the process even more. Now, one of the common questions I've seen out there is, what if I get started with an online business, but then there's nobody to ask for if I have questions or if an issue comes up? Well, this is why it's important to find a community, and that's why I'm developing a community of supportive women that can help each other and answer questions and provide support and encouragement while we're all on this online journey together. Now, while a community will be available, that does not mean that you're part of a team, that your team is relying on your sales for any part of their profits. You will earn 100% of your profits, and that is so important to me. Starting an online business can be isolating and a little bit lonely, but joining a community that provides motivation, tips, and advice as you start your online journey is priceless. Let's take a look at what one mom had to say about her online journey while still working her 9 to 5. $600 in my bank on my way to my 9 to 5. Here's another one. I'm officially done with my 9 to 5 and in 11 weeks have earned $22,800. If you're ready to take the first step towards building your online business, check out the link in the description below. This will give you more information to my program that provides you everything you need, including tools, training, and support, all while you're building your successful online business to help you succeed without being overwhelmed. All right, this next point was a huge factor in why I decided to take a leap into the online space. And that's because I was tired of trading time for dollars. I knew that there had to be a better way out there to make a passive income, and I knew there had to be a better way to build a scalable online business. With digital products, there's no limit to your income earning potential. When you focus on scalable income streams, such as subscription services or digital courses, your income potential grows as your business grows. When you're already working a 9 to 5, adding one more thing might seem overwhelming, but the whole point of starting an online business is so that these hours fit into your schedule and around your family. An online business, especially digital, lets you choose when and where you work, so you can create a work routine that fits into your family's life so you can be there for all the important moments. All right, guys, here's my favorite part, the secret sauce that you've been waiting for. It's called automations. Automations are key to starting an online business. Automations means that you put your business out there and it's working for you 24 hours a day, so you don't have to be hands-on all the time to be earning a profit. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks like responding to emails, customer follow-up, and payments. It's so important to set up automations during your initial business setup so that you can set it and forget it. All right, who's ready to take the first steps to create freedom and income for their family? And don't forget to watch the next video, packed with even more tips and inspiration for your online business journey.